Okay, we are heading under the house to make connection with these PEX lines right here, hot and cold potable water to the tankless, and we know we're tying into a copper system. So let me show you what we're going to bring, kind of the catch-all. No matter what we encompass down there, we are going to have a handle. Ideally, we're at the end of the line and we're able to put in these press by PEX adapters, right? But if we're not at the end of the line, we're going to cut in this T with repair coupling. T with repair coupling, and create ourselves a PEX outlet that way. And then we're also going to bring some PEX 90s with us and some rings. We got the PEX gun, DeWalt PEX gun. We got the Milwaukee copper cutters. In fact, we're just bringing a little bit of that with us, right? Here, hold that up for a second. That's all we need now, right there. Bang bang, PEX cutters, tape measure, pro press gun, hammers, snails, snips if we need it. We're ready to go.
And action.
Okay. This video is on crawl space mental preparation. When you know you're going into a crawl space that it's a little rough. And let me show you why I know that this one's going to be a little rough. Okay. So when you pull open a crawl space cover, you look down here. You look down here and you can see some pretty rough. See, that is pretty rough. Right?
What is that?
That's a cat. So I don't know what's in this crawl, but that's already kind of got me a little mental, like, okay. So I got to get myself psyched up and ready to go attack this. So I'm telling myself, okay, they got cats, so that probably means they got no rats. There might be some spiders and whatnot. We're kind of out in the woods. There's gonna be some critters down here. So I did bring some. Sometimes I'll have plastic. Right now I'm going to use tar. And I just kind of go about things slow. I already know I got to deal with that.
With some runners?
Yeah, I'm going to a runner for like the first, whatever, 10 feet. Just kind of make myself feel better about that. That just needs to be moved. And get to work. Take a look. Got some spideys going on. Okay. I'm gonna bring this with me.
A web swatter?
Look at that. It's a clean crawl. Clean crawl.
It is.
Wow, this is a nice clean crawl.
10% done.
Oh man, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Can't ask for much more than that. Another thing I'm doing right now is making a lot of noise. So if there is anything down there, it's already getting away from us. back my way in. Lots of insulation on the ground. It's not cool.
Let's get it started. We're going that direction.
Now that I'm down here, it's kind of like to chill. Okay, decide what my path is going to be. I'm not necessarily looking around, trying to find anything. I'm just kind of looking around, get my bearings. Looks like we're just going to shoot right on down there. Smack a rat?
I would smack a rat or a possum.
I would kick a rat. That's a decent sized frog.
Yeah, it is actually. You can actually crawl. You can actually crawl. Not an army crawl. Do you see what I see?
Okay, we know we're right next to that duck. So we're just gonna follow the duck.
I see red.
Okay, here's the cold coming in. Let's see. Oh man, I'm gonna see the cold coming in or over to a hose bib. Doesn't really much matter. We'll head over.
There's more. that might be the TMP.
Yeah, okay, so you're gonna have 3 risers there. Hot,
Yeah.
cold,
Yeah.
and a TNP. So that 3/4 heading over there is the TNP?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I think what we should do, Chris,
Yeah.
I think we should have Robert somehow hand us a 3/4 shark bite. Then we take that our TNP and we tie it into their TNP.
Yeah.
It's done.
Yeah. And it's already halfway there.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we can have them take some channel locks on the cold, on the hot, and vibrate it and see which one's which.
Yeah.
I mean, unless we count on it. I mean, because it was facing this way, the water heater was, so it should be cold on right, hot on left.
Why don't you cancel the video there and we'll call him.
Ta-da!
Dunsky. There you go.
Yep, all in a day's work. Look over there. Look over there. You guys, yeah. There it is. That's a good one. You're laying on your left side. That's indented.
What's up, guys? Huh? You excited about your new plumbing?
You got the peps?
Endless hot showers with your tankless? You excited about the hot water? Endless hot water? No?